If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Last week was crazy. We saw a move from wick to wick of 28%. In my last update, I also mentioned a key level that would act as resistance and a level that we need to reclaim and confirm as support for bullish continuation. We're going to dive into that today. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share, and we'll dive straight into this video update. So my last Trias video was when we were approaching this purple box, and I said this will act as a key level of resistance that needs to be broken and flipped into support. So we got the continuation to our $4.50 psychological area of resistance, which is a 50-cent range between $4.50 and $5, another psychological level. So we're calling this 50-cent range a psychological range, and once that is totally cleared, there's no stopping Trias from exploding. So this breakout could come fast. When it does happen, the moves will be explosive. Now it could take time for that to come, but when it does actually occur, look at the targets to the upside, guys. It's gonna be very quick moves. We might even see 100% just like that. You can see that we're at about the $4 mark. So getting up to this technical target is almost a 100% move from today's current price. And if we came down a little bit lower, even better. Look, this would be a 76% move, but we'd actually be targeting these golden lines between 83% and 100%. So we could see that potential 100% move coming up very shortly, as long as this key level can be broken, and it will happen very fast once it's broken, but breaking it could be the long point where we're sitting like ducks. So essentially what the level that I marked out below that 50-cent psychological area in yesterday's update was in the last update was between $4.13 and $4.33. So we can see that the golden pocket is actually from $4.17 to $4. However, we marked out this area as we know the 786 fib could be the deepest point of retracement, and we also had wick rejections and candle closes in that area. So I've essentially just gone from the golden pocket to the 786 fib. And we can come down below this point. There's nothing wrong with that. Please understand this. In fact, it's totally fine to do so. Got the moving averages here. And this Fibonacci is just showing where the reversal wave is being created, right? So this is a point of rejection where you're meant to see new lows, but by breaking through and confirming it as support, you're changing that scenario. You're changing it from a potential downtrend continuation, as this is a big wave down correction continuation, into a potential impulse correction into the golden pocket now that the reversal wave has been created for targets much higher eventually, where we could go to, again, $6.73, but when we zoom out a little bit more, as high as $8.60. So if we can now maintain this level where we are right now between $4.13 and $4.33, we're just going to see that in the immediate short term, us trying to break this maybe over this week, next week. But if this now fails as support, we still got supports beneath this point. And again, this Fibonacci was trying to find the bullish targets and the level where the reversal wave is created right over here. But as this impulse is now done, how do we know that? We're starting to see it come down. I then need to place a new set of fibs from the low of that move to the high, and very, very quickly I'm going to get rid of that. And we can see that the opposite golden pocket is sitting smack bang in line with this one, of course, but the moving averages is what I'm focused on. So it would be fine to come down below this point as long as these moving averages hold and we've got some confluence with two separate golden pockets. So we don't have to dump down to them as we're at one right now, the reversal wave one. But if we do come back down below, hold the moving averages, hold above $3.80, and we should see breaks to the upside eventually. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share if you want to get educated by me so you can predict all of these moves as we've been doing so. Then I'll let you listen to this little clip right now. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.